Hi guys, welcome back to nne.simdikitchen. So today we are going to be making cocoyam paste or ede ole. Some people call it edofe. Yeah, whatever. So this is the ede. We have two different types of ede. One is used for eating, just one is used for soup, for thickening soups. So we're going to start by washing the cocoyam first of all, to remove the sand that was there when it was harvested. And then we're going to place it on our cooking pot and cook it for about 20 to 30 minutes or until it's soft. You can take anything between 15-20 minutes. So the first method we're going to be trying is the mortar and the pestle method. And at the end, I'm going to tell you the preferred method I like using for my soups. So you have to peel it, and it has to be soft after cooking. If it's not soft, it's either spoiled or it's not yet very cooked. So but most time it usually happens that it is spoiled. So if you press it and it's not soft or the back cannot easily peel, just know that it is spoiled. So you have to discard it so it doesn't spoil the taste of your soup or spoil it. Yeah, so you have to pound until it is slimy and sticky, which is one of the major difference between this cocoyam for thickening soup and the other cocoyam. This one will generally become sort of sticky, and when you touch it, it will stick to your hand. Please don't forget that whenever you're pounding, you have to pound them in batches, especially if you're doing a large quantity, and make sure you pound while it is hot so it doesn't form lumps or become lumpy. If you notice, I added oil to my spoon. This is to help it start to be sticky, because this one is really sticky. Like, that's the thickening, the sweetness of this thickening paste of cocoyam is actually very sticky. I prefer this method to offer and the rest of them and achi. So yeah, we're going to be using the second method, which is the blender method, aka the lazy people's method, the lazy wife or the lazy cooks method. Simply just peel the cocoyam, put inside your blender, add a little water, and cover it and blend. That's all. So if you have been thinking of how to cook cocoyam, I'm like, oh, I don't have strength to pound, I don't have strength to peel, and all of those things, blender is there for you. And this one is actually you don't have to stick to your hand or to your pot. You don't have to use anything. If I'm preparing soup immediately, I like to use the blender method because it's fast and it will thicken the soup at the moment. But if it's to store in the freezer, the durability of that of one pounded in the mortar, it's better than the durability of the one blended. So yeah, look at how creamy, smooth this is. Can you actually see the difference of the blended one and the one pounded in the mortar? The difference is actually very glaring. So this is the thickener that we use in thickening our soups, like ufonubu, fora, or any soup that needs thickening. Thank you for stopping by. Please don't forget to like, comment, share the video to your friends, and of course hit the subscription button and the notification bell. Thank you.